Hello and welcome TechGlob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deploy Google Chrome to the client machine. Now go to the Google website and here I'm going to type Google Chrome MSI 64-bit software. In this installation you must download MSI package, otherwise this won't work to the installation part. Now I'm gonna click the first link. When you come to the page, here you can see the bundle, change the MSI and download, and this is the MSI package which we download from the Google website. And now we need to create a share folder. Go to the file explorer and this PC, go to the C drive. Here I'm gonna create a new folder, going to give name software deploy. Okay, then right click and go to the properties, sharing and advanced sharing. Share this folder and go to the permission. The everyone permission, read-only permission. Okay, now we don't want any changes and click OK and OK, close. Go to the properties again. This is the software network path. Okay, and minimize this and go to the server manager, go to tools, and here Active Directory users and computers. And when you open the Active Directory users and computers, this is my techglob.local domain name. Under the local domain, come to the computer, and these are the machine now connect with the server. Okay, now I'm gonna create a new OU which is available already here, and right click, go to new and create an organizational unit, ASST HR manager. Okay, assistant HR manager, click OK. Go to the computers and right click the computer and move. And now I'm gonna move to the HR, expand the HR folder and come to the assistant HR manager OU and click OK. Now the PC moved to the assistant HR manager OU. Okay, and now go to the tools from server manager and come to the group policy management, and here I'm gonna create new group policy object. Okay, right click and new. Here you can type Google Chrome deployments GPO. Okay, now go to the GPO and edit it, and when the GPO console open, go to the under computer configurations policies, go to the software installation page, right click and go to new and go to the package, and this is the software we download from the Google website, the MSI package, and select this and open. And after that you can see assigned and advanced, no changes, just click OK, and now you can see the network path and the software is visible in this folder. And now you have to go to the group policy management and link it under the HR manager, and go to the assistant HR manager, expand the assistant manager and right click and link an existing GPO, and go to the Google Chrome deployment GPO and click OK. Now the policies which we created, the link with the assistant HR manager, and here I'm gonna type run command cmd gp update /force. Okay, now go to the Windows 10 machine, enter the password, and after the logon section, go to the start menu and check whether the software package is installed or not. Now the Google Chrome successfully we deploy from the Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Okay, so this is done, and go to the app wizard in the run command, enter. We can check in the control panel whether the software got installed or not, confirm. And now you can see the Google Chrome successfully we have installed. This is the way how to deploy the software package from the server. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe.